Okay guys, welcome to the very first tutorial of To The Point Tutorials. Thank you for joining me today, and once you've seen the video, I would request you to please like and subscribe. Now today we're going to talk about Atom, how to go ahead and configure Atom to run Python code. Obviously you need to download Atom first. You can go on to atom.io and download the file by clicking on download. I already have it downloaded and installed, so I'm just going to run the Atom software. Now once you are here, this is not really the first screen you'll see. This is something you will see once Atom is installed and once you open it. Now this by default can take in Python code, but it won't execute Python code by default, so you need to install a package. What we'll do is we'll go into file, then click on settings. From settings we will click on install. Now the package that we're looking for is Atom Python run. This is the package that we're looking for. Now, I already have this package installed, atom python.run by Foreshadow. You will see a similar install button here. Just click on install, and once it's done, that's about it. Now if I run, let's say I open and create a new file here, so let's say new file.py, and I put in some code, so we'll obviously go with the print code and hello world. Great. Now all you have to do is on this particular screen, once you have written all your code, you just need to click on F5 or F6 for the system to run the code on the command prompt. So if I press F5 on the first run, it takes a little while, and there it is. You can see hello world here mentioned, and that's on F5. So that's about it for today. We'll come up with more tutorials soon. Once again, thank you for watching the video, and please do like and subscribe. Thanks.